Hello guys, welcome to your first step in mastering C#. Whether you're completely new to the programming or just looking to add a powerful language to your skill set, this series will guide you from the basics to build your own projects. In this video, we will divide into the fundamentals of C#, covering everything you need to start coding. Let's unlock your potential and get coding. .NET Framework is an open source platform for developing Windows-based applications. It includes a variety of developer tools, class libraries, and it works with applications developed in C#, F#, Visual Basic, and other popular programming languages. Now, let's talk about the history of the .NET Framework. The first .NET was developed in 2002 as a .NET Framework 1, and the latest version was released in 2019 as .NET 4.8. As you see, from 2016, Microsoft released another platform that named .NET Core. The first release is .NET Core 1, and after .NET Core 3, they changed the name to the .NET. The latest .NET is .NET 8. Variables. Variables are containers for storing data values. One of these variables are integer. So integer hold all the numbers without decimals, like 123 or -123. Another variable is double. Double hold all the numbers with decimals, like 19.99 or -19.99. Another variable is char. Char is single characters variable. So it's surrounded by single quotes, like single quote, capital A, single quote. If you need to store more than one character, you have to use string. String store text and it's surrounded by double quotes, like double quotes, hello world, and double quote. Boolean stores values with two states, true or false. Now we want to see syntax of a C#. When you want to define a variable, you have to write the first type, variable name equals to value, like int count equals to 0, or string name equals to double quotations, ali, and double quotations. Now you see a very simple example of a C# syntax, which includes namespace, class, and a function. If you write a code and it shouldn't be executed or run it, you can comment the code. You can comment with / in the beginning of the code. As you see in the screen, the green one is not comment, console.writeLine hello world, which means in the output we see hello world. But in the red line, this code is commented, which means this console.writeLine hello world, which never executed. IDE. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment, which used to edit and compile the code. You see a very simple .NET Framework architecture. For example, in the first, it's language, which is VB.NET, C#, F#. Library. Library is a framework class library. CLR, Common Language Runtime. As you saw in a syntax example, we have to follow some concepts. For example, at first, we have to have namespace, then class name, and then method. C# programs are organized using namespaces. These namespaces are used both as an internal organization system for a program and as an external organization system, a way of presenting program elements that are exposed to other programs. In C#, a class serves as a blueprint or template for creating objects. A method is a code block that contains a series of statements. A program causes these statements to be executed by calling the method and specifying any required method arguments. Abstract class helps you to create member function that does not have implementations but must be implemented in the derived class. Here, implementation means program body. In C#, among types of the classes, a static class is one of the most important class. The static class can be created using the keyword static. A static class can only contain static members and, like abstract classes, we cannot create the instance of these classes. Seed class is a class which is not inherited by any other classes. This class is specially created for the purpose of not being inherited by any other classes. Partial class is used to divide the properties of one class into multiple source files. But at the compile time, all these source files are grouped together to make one single class. Concrete class is last type of class which must have an implementation for all of its methods. It is an opposite of abstract class, but it can extend it an abstract class and implement the abstract methods of an abstract classes. Thank you for watching the video and I hope you enjoy it. Please hit the subscribe button and the ring button.